How to fix Cash App won't let me request money. Hi everyone, this is Rose. Let's get started. Make sure your app is up to date. Open App Store, tap search icon at bottom right corner, search Cash App. If you see update button, tap on it and ensure you are running latest version of Cash App. Open Settings, tap General, tap iPhone Storage, find Cash App, tap Upload App and tap Confirm. Now reinstall the app. If clearing cache didn't resolve the issue, tap Delete app and now reinstall from App Store. Lastly, you can contact Cache App support by going to Cache App. And once you do that, you will easily be able to cash out money on Cache App. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.